If someone tells you Islam is a religion of violence, then remind them of this. Islam comes from the word salam, which means peace. And the Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hands other people are safe. If Islam was about violence, then why did the Prophet ﷺ forgive even his bitter enemies when Makkah was defeated and Prophet ﷺ welcomed Meccan people, his bitter enemies? Prophet ﷺ said, لا تثريب عليكم اليوم, there is no blame upon you. اذهبوا فأنتم الطلقاء, go, you are freed. Islam teaches kindness, justice, mercy, and the respect for every human life. And the Holy Quran says clearly, whoever kills an innocent soul, it is as if he killed all humanity. Quran, Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32. And it also says, if they incline to peace, then you must also incline to peace. Quran, Surah Al-Anfal, chapter number 8, verse number 61. So next time someone asks you what Islam is, then tell them Islam is peace, Islam is mercy, Islam is love for humanity. A true Muslims are those who spread peace and mercy wherever they go.